Well, good morning. We are watching the radar very closely this morning as showers and thunderstorms are working towards central Texas. Activity right now, at least, is quiet. You can see this thin green line that advanced from north to south here. That's our cold front there that is now passing through our area. And with that cold front and these storms coming in, that's going to provide more lift to kind of localize these showers and thunderstorms over us here later on today. Heavy thunderstorms off to the northwest of us. These are not severe anymore, though there were some severe thunderstorm warnings for San Angelo. And I want to show you right here. See this little curly Q right there? That's a sign that we have a little swirl in the atmosphere, and when that happens within these storms, it'll kind of like coalesce the showers and thunderstorms along it as that works southeast. So a pretty good sign that these are going to be making it towards our area. Let's go ahead and put a track on them for you as they are moving off to the southeast at about 40 miles per hour. That will take this activity that stretches from Eastland down towards Brady and pull it all to the southeast towards us. That would bring it closer to us by around 7:38 in Hamilton, 8 o'clock by Meridian, and Waco likely after 8:30 heading towards that 9 o'clock hour here as that activity is continuing toward to the southeast, already getting close to Mills County. You're likely hearing some thunder there in northern Mills County as well as San Saba County, and the activity will continue to spread off to the east. Behind that front, temperatures have fallen into the low 70s in our northwestern counties, still holding on to 80 towards Cameron and towards Hearn. Those temperatures will continue to fall here today as that front pushes through. A little faster in central Texas, still holding on to mid-80s in the Brazos Valley, but watch how activity continues to ramp up here as we get into the middle of the morning, and by the lunchtime hour still holding on to some, even that lingering into the afternoon. The longer these clouds and showers linger, the cooler will be, likely into the upper 70s and lower 80s here for highs here today. And then things will quiet down as drier air works in. Tomorrow feels a lot more pleasant, upper 80s, and with north winds, that's dry air making it feel nice. But because that system's starting to localize over us, there will be the potential for some heavier amounts than originally thought, and it'll be in a narrow corridor that will likely be close to Highway 190. Don't get so caught up on the exact totals here, but just know that the potential is there for some 1 to 2 inch totals in spots. It wouldn't even surprise me to see some 3-inch totals if these showers and thunderstorms can kind of move over the same areas here going forward this morning. That also means if you're north of that corridor, you won't see a ton at all, maybe half an inch at most. So a 70% chance of storms here today, high of 82, 86 tomorrow. We'll call for 61 overnight into Friday, 63 overnight into Saturday. Morning lows are in the 60s, but the highs, those will still be in the 90s. So it stays warm heading on into the weekend and even into next week. Highs hanging around the low 90s, and in the Brazos Valley more of the same. High rain chances here today, low 90s heading into next week.
I'm Joe St. George in Washington. We're getting closer to the first possible government shutdown in nearly 7 years. So what happens if the